Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-embedded video link when pasting link in OneNote. If you've been pasting video links into your notes and finding them automatically converting into large embedded players, this tutorial will help you turn that feature off and keep your notes cleaner and more streamlined. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Give it a moment to fully load all your pages and sections so you're working with everything properly synced and ready to go. Once your notebook has been loaded, we're going to disable auto-embedded video link when pasting link in OneNote. Begin by heading to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are located. Click on File and the menu will expand, revealing several configuration options. From the expanded menu, look for the Account option located on the left side and click on it. This section controls various settings related to your Microsoft account and how OneNote behaves. From the Account settings, look for the Account Privacy section and click on Manage Settings. This is where you can control how OneNote interacts with online content and external media sources. A privacy settings window will appear. From here, look for the option labeled Experiences that download online content. This is the key setting that controls whether OneNote automatically fetches and embeds previews when you paste links. Simply toggle the checkbox off to disable this feature. Once you've turned it off, click OK to save your changes. Your OneNote app will now restart to apply the changes you just made. This restart ensures that the new settings take effect properly across all your notebooks. After the app reopens, the auto-embed video link will now be disabled. From this point forward, when you paste a video link into your notes, it will remain as a simple clickable URL instead of automatically converting into an embedded video player. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the auto-embedded video link feature in OneNote, giving you more control over how your pasted links appear. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.